Do you like honest reviews? Do you like smart home devices or technology or gadgets? I do. I have smart locks pretty much on every single door in my house. I'm on the hunt for one of the cheapest but best bang for your buck smart locks for your home. And that's what I have right here. I have a Finger Smart door lock, and no, this was not provided by a company for this video whatsoever. This video is not sponsored. It's just, I'm on Amazon a lot and I try to find things that are gonna be worth it and see if it's worth your money. So if you really like honest reviews and you like smart home or just technology and gadgets and products in general, I like to review all types of products on this channel. So I am not strictly a computer channel. I'm not strictly smart home. I'm a mixture. I do microphones. I do cell phones, smartwatches. I do all kinds of stuff. I got weed eaters. But anyways, this one here is going to be for this fingerprint door lock. So let's go ahead and get it unboxed and see what we get in here. Is QEKSO3. I'm trying to see the brand. I have to look up the brand again to see who it is. I think it's a Biquole. I put it right here on the screen. It is Biquole, Keel. So again, I'll put it right here. This one here actually has the smart lock, and it also has a handle on it as well. So you have a combo kit. That's one thing that I really, whether it's Wise, Ring, no matter who it is out there, that's one thing that I think that a lot of companies should do is add a handle. It's one thing, you have this chrome door handle, and then you have this black lock up top on it, or you have this chrome up top and a black handle. No one ever really includes the handles with them, and this one does. So let's go ahead and get it unboxed. This is a fingerprint smart door lock. This has the lock and handle on it. Let's go ahead and open it up. On the inside of the box right here, there is some QR codes for installation video and settings video. Okay, so we get a little baggie. Looks like the user manual right here. Some of these key fobs for the door that you can program. We got all of our measurements, so you know exactly where to put this door lock at and how to install it. As we start getting into it a little bit more, we got some hardware right here. These should be the screws that screws it together. What else we got in here? We got some more of the hardware that goes in your door for it to lock. We got a set of batteries right here. Okay, so that's going to be the inside of the house right here. This is what it looks like for the inside. Your batteries go in here. And I'll show you how to install it here in just a minute. Okay, we get a set of keys for it. And then we have the outside. I really do like the design of this. I like the clean. This right here should come down for your key. This right here should be for your biometrics right here. This right here is going to be for the key fob right here. And then, of course, we should have a number pad. We have our lock button. And, of course, the doorbell for when people come, they can ring the doorbell. But what makes this one stand out more is going to be the actual door handle. And, again, we have all the install hardware for the handle itself. And there is the handle. Again, it matches the same color where it is all matching on your door, which is a very, very nice feature to see from a door lock. Door locks are really, really easy. First thing we got to do is take all the old hardware out. I already got my deadbolt out. Now it's time to go ahead and get my handle out. Okay, so now that all my old hardware is off, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start installing the new hardware. The first thing, we're going to install the striker. Next, we're going to install the hardware. Remember, your screws go on the inside of your door, not the outside, so no one can get in your home. Okay, so now the door handle's on. Now I'm going to go ahead and install the smart lock. Okay, what you want to do is you want to take the front part and go ahead and stick it through the front. Now that you have it in the front, you want to go ahead and put the plate on. Go ahead and take your wire and put your wire in this hole right here. Take the included screws and go ahead and put your screws in. You have this on right here. We're going to go ahead and we're going to plug in the plug right here. Line it up with this. Okay, so here it is, all installed. Both sides, front side and back side. It has a really, really good rubber gasket around both sides, so no water can get behind it. And since I've done a couple of these door locks, I'm going to suggest the first thing to do is go download their app before you put the batteries in. So let me go ahead and go get the app ready and put the batteries in. Okay, if you notice the door right here, look at the app. I'm going to go ahead and push it over to unlock. And if you notice, it just unlocked. After about 10 seconds, it's going to relock it because the auto lock is on right now. So you got a temporary code. You can give somebody a temporary code to come in. You got your member management, add in your members. Accessory management, go ahead and add accessories if there's other things that can connect in the ecosystem. Smart Sense, you got Smart Sense settings right here. Okay, so adding biometrics is pretty easy as well. You're just gonna tap on you. Go ahead and hit add fingerprint. Go ahead and click add. Okay, so now that I have it on, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and hit the lock button. So now it is locked, you cannot get in. And now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna try the fingerprint. And now it unlocked. All right, so having the combo there with the handle and the door lock is really, really nice. Now, there is going to be some negatives on this. So one, I'll go ahead and I'll leave a link down below on what you need. If you're wanting to control this anywhere, say you're in a different state or you go out of town or something and you want to unlock it for somebody and you want to have that true wireless, you have to buy a little box. So I'm going to go ahead, like I said, I'll leave a link down in the description down below. But a lot of your 2U apps, the TUIA apps or Smart Life apps, you actually need this little box anyways. I'm gonna go ahead and grab me one because I have other devices within my house. I have other smart plugs. I have a couple of fans that use it. So I'll be able to really use like Alexa and Google and have everything where it combines together and getting ready for my home assist because I am building me a home assist as well. And this lock can actually be part of that ecosystem as well. Other than that, the only bad thing that I see with this is it does take 4 AA batteries instead of a battery pack that stays charged for a long time. It doesn't bother me to get some rechargeable batteries, pop them out, and just interchange them. Normally, out of a lot of these locks that I've messed with, I normally get about 2 to 3 months out of some cheap dollar store batteries, AA batteries. I think the combination, I think the colors is really nice. I do need to clean my door. Probably about time for me to repaint that door. So, and that's probably what I'm gonna do. I want everything to match. I'm tired of having just that black or a different colored door lock and not having the handle match it. So hopefully this gave you a little bit of insight and helped you with your buying decision on a door lock like this. All links will be down in the description down below. Go ahead and check out right here. See if this is worth it, like this door lock is here in 2026.